Right, this is a really quick video to show, hopefully, that my experiments with the Hoover, as in hoovering at them twice a day, every day for the past weeks, have been quite successful. At first, obviously, they absolutely hated the Hoover, they ran away from it. They still run away from it when it first goes on because it's a sudden big loud noise. But hopefully what's going to happen here is I'm going to switch the Hoover on. They'll get a bit of a fright, as they always do, and then they're going to ignore it. They're going to carry on playing, and some of them may even come and try and play with the Hoover. Okay, let's watch this pair, Kerry and Nix. Look, Hoover. Okay, Hoover's coming on now. Big loud noise on the video.